beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Nora. Welcome back here. Thank you, my beautiful subscribers. I appreciate you all. So I got a request from my beautiful subscribers to make a review about the best acne soap, best pimple soap, because I did a video about how to make the most effective pimple face cream. But that face cream, you need an acne soap to use with it and a good cleanser. So that's how I came up with this video, because my beautiful subscribers here want me to make a video regarding that aspect. So that's why I've gathered five. I'll be giving you top 5 good acne soaps you can use alongside the face cream I made earlier and get a good result. So Dudu Osun is our number 5 for today. So Dudu Osun, because of its mix of ingredients, it's an antibacterial. It can thoroughly cleanse and help to improve the skin, especially those who suffer from acne, breakout. To use Dudu Osun black soap, you apply it just like you would apply any other cleansing product. Just like if you're to use the face cream I made earlier, you just max the soap for a few minutes, then you wash it off. Then you apply your face cream, but that has to be the cleanser first. You have to cleanse your face. After cleansing your face with your facial cleanser, you keep it, let it sit for like 5 minutes. Then after letting your cleanser sit for 5 minutes, you max your soap for a few minutes, wash it off before applying the face cream. Okay, so our number 4 for today is Shell Moisture African Black Soap. Shell Moisture African Black Soap is a face and body soap. Okay, this soap is designed to cleanse, hydrate, and calm problem skin. This soap is formulated with shea butter for richness and moisture, aloe vera, oat, and rosemary that helps to balance oily skin for a clearer complexion and face. Okay, it also contains charcoal, which aids in detoxifying. It extracts excess oil from the face. It helps blend out the dark spots you have on your face. Just like I said earlier, the same method. I'm gonna make a video after this. After this video, I'm gonna upload another video about the special cleansers you can use alongside with these soaps. That will be in my next video. So these are our number 4. So our number 3 is the Neutrogena Acne Prone Formula Cleansing Bar for acne prone skin. It's pure and gentle cleansing for clean, clear, healthy looking skin. And it's also a glycerin based soap. So among the soaps I'll be mentioning today, okay, if you have an acne prone skin, pimples, and your facial skin fall into the sensitive kind of skin, I will say among all the soaps I'm mentioning today, this is your best bets, okay, because this is a glycerin acne soap, and also it's very mild. It's mild but very effective. This glycerin rich facial bar contains no harsh detergent, dye, or hardeners. It removes excess oil, and then it's a very effective acne soap. Okay, when you apply and rinse, it cleans the face without leaving any clogging residue. It's a non-medicated formula, won't over dry skin. It will give you this clean, healthy looking skin with this. It's dermatologist recommended, the transparent facial bar acne prone skin formula. So our number 2 for today is Dr. Rachel soap. I don't know if I'm getting it. Rachel soap. Okay, this is one of my favorite among the soaps I listed out today, because this soap is an acne, pimples, dark spot soap. At the same time is an anti-aging soap. Okay, this soap is a deep cleansing soap, pores tightening, oil control, whitehead reducing, is whitening, acne control, it's anti-aging. This soap is one of my favorites when it comes to acne treatment soap, and it's very, very effective. So if you're thinking of getting a good acne soap, pimples, dark spots, this is a good one. And at the same time, this soap is going to lighten and whiten your complexion. So if you fall on the light skin, very fair skin, I think this is the best for your acne treatment. Dr. Rachel Black Soap with whitening complex collagen and charcoal for pores refining, oil control, whitening, acne, anti-aging. This is one of the best you can get for acne, and it's very effective. is a very effective acne dark spot soap. It's going to correct your dark spot. It's going to dry up the pimples you have on your face. It dries up pimples. Okay, it's not really it's not a medicated soap. I would say it's a collagen charcoal for pores refining. It controls oil, excess oil. It's whitening, acne, and anti-aging. The anti-aging benefit in it is a good one. It deep cleans your face. Okay, this is one of the best you can pick to help you control and treat acne and dark spots. So our number one for today is Renew Anti-Pimple Soap. This Renew Pimple Soap helps remove black spots, acne marks, and wrinkles. Okay, this soap helps remove pimples and pimple marks from the face, helps dry up acne pimples and prevent it from coming back, removes pigmentation, dark spots, and it's also a lightening facial soap. Okay, it lightens your face and keep it smooth, fair, and young looking. Okay, your face becomes fair and acne free. This anti-pimple soap, this Renew, has to be our number one today because it's like an all-in-one facial soap, because as it's correcting the acne, clearing up the acne on your face, clearing up the pimples, taking off your dark spots, is at the same time is lightening your face beautifully, giving it this very beautiful glow. It's also an anti-aging soap. Okay, it lightens the face, takes off wrinkles, takes off fine lines. That's why it has to be our number one soap for today, because not just clearing of acne or dark spots or pimple marks, it takes off the tiniest fine lines on your face. Okay, this is a very beautiful soap, very nice facial soap. It takes out fine lines from your face, takes out wrinkles. Okay, it takes out dark spots, acne marks, pimples. It clears all those blemishes on your face, giving your face that very beautiful, youthful glow. So that's why this soap has to be our number one for today. This is a soap, a must-have for everyone. Okay, I just want to ship in some other products. Okay, we just concluded our top 5 acne soaps, so I just want to ship in 2 other good soaps that I know works very well for acne, and that's one of them is Skin Doctor. Skin Doctor acne soap is a pure and natural product. Okay, it helps to take off dark spot as well, acne spots and pimples. It's a very good soap. So if you come across this one, if you can get any of the 5 I mentioned and you're able to see this one, that's the more reason I'm just shipping in 2 extra soaps in case you can't get any of this, so you'll be able to get one. This is also a very good one to pick for yourself and to help clear your pimples. Okay, our second bonus soap for today is Cottage Fresh. This soap is a very good soap when it comes to dark spots. If you're suffering from dark spots on your face or on your body, you need a soap to help take off dark spots. This soap is very good in taking off dark spots, very effective in taking off dark spots, mostly when you kind of activate the soap with some good oils. Okay, but even without activating this Cottage Fresh with any oil, this soap is very effective in taking off dark spots. This soap will help dry out pimples when marks on the face, except maybe when you have this severe sensitive facial skin, then maybe maxing will really be for you. But even using it to wash your face daily, you will see an improvement of your dark spots, pimples drying up. Okay, Cottage Fresh is a soap you can get anywhere. Okay, it's kind of common. Okay, if you can't even get any of the soaps I mentioned today, you can easily get Cottage Fresh. Cottage Fresh help dry up pimples, help takes off dark spots, so it's a good one for you to choose. So this is a good one to choose from. Okay, I already explained how to use all this soap. I'm going to make a video about the best facial cleansers you can use alongside the soap, and how to use. Like I said earlier, you're going to use your cleanser to cleanse your face for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave the cleanser on for 5 to 10 minutes, then you wash it off. You max your soap, or if you have a sensitive face, it depends on the one you're using among the soaps I mentioned. Either you max for 5 minutes or 10 minutes to wash off, or you just use the soap to wash off your face before you apply the pimple face cream I made. Okay, I made a pimple face cream. If you've not seen the video, I'm gonna put the link to that video on my description box. Okay, so it's as simple as that. That's how to use, and I'm also going to put the description of how to use in my description box. Okay, that'll be the end of today's video. I don't want to drag this video too long, so that will be the end of today's video. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. and I'll see you soon. Wait for my facial cleanser videos. Don't miss out on that one. Thank you.